Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Squarespace website templates and plugins, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Squarespace website templates and plugins, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, select the website you wish to update from the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Design section on the left sidebar. In the Design menu, click on Template. Here, you'll see your current template listed at the top. To check for updates, click on the template name. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the version information. If an update is available, you will see an Update button. Click on the Update button to initiate the template update process. After the update, review your website to ensure everything appears as expected. Next, return to the dashboard and select Settings from the left sidebar. Scroll down and locate the Extensions option under Settings. Click on Extensions to view all installed plugins on your website. Check each plugin for available updates by looking for an update notification next to its name. To update a plugin, simply click the Update button next to it. Once the updates are complete, navigate back to your website. Perform a thorough check of your website functionality and design to confirm all updates were successful. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Squarespace Help Center for troubleshooting assistance. Note any custom code or design adjustments that may need to be reapplied after the updates. Lastly, regularly check for updates to keep your templates and plugins current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.